Bitcoin Cash BCH is a decentralized computerized money and a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain, intending to build the versatility and convenience of the first Bitcoin organization, considering quicker and cheaper exchanges. Assuming that you're searching for Bitcoin Cash cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Bitcoin Cash BCH will go from here on out. We will investigate the previous costs of Bitcoin Cash BCH and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitcoin Cash is $483.50 and BCH is right now positioned #16 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Bitcoin Cash is 19,710 to 1988 with a market cap of $9,530, 233, 638. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 2.7% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Bitcoin Cash is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The BCH is down to nearly 0.57% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We anticipate future Bitcoin Cash cost expectations figure by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Bitcoin Cash. We give our all to gather greatest verifiable information for the BCH coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Bitcoin Cash market cap, Bitcoin Cash volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast Rundown. The typical extended cost for Bitcoin Cash in 2025 is supposed to be $910.58, with expected change somewhere in the range of $880.15 and $1017. Long-haul investigation recommends that Bitcoin Cash cost might actually flood to $265,562 by 2050. Bitcoin Cash BCH is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $6,749 constantly 2030. With the ongoing cost of $483.50, Bitcoin Cash holds its ground on the lookout. Bitcoin Cash BCH is determined to arrive at a typical cost of $113,454 toward the finish of 2040. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation 2024. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at least degree of $584.44 in 2024. The Bitcoin Cash cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $717.31 with the typical cost of $608.71 all through 2024. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation 2025. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $880.15 in 2025. The Bitcoin Cash cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1017 with the typical exchanging cost of $910.58 all through 2025. BCH value figure for 2026. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1278. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1503 with the typical exchanging cost of $1323. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2027. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH, in 2027 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1,765. The Bitcoin Cash value worth can arrive at a limit of $2,198 with the typical exchanging worth of $1,831 in USD. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2028. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $2,613 in 2028. The Bitcoin Cash cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $3,147 with a typical exchanging cost of $2,687 all through 2028. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2029. Bitcoin Cash cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $3,846 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $45.23 with the typical gauge cost of $39.80. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2030. Bitcoin Cash cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $5,473 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $6,749 with the typical estimate cost of $5,672. Bitcoin Cash Value Figure 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH, in 2031 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $7,934. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $9,406 with the typical exchanging cost of $8,161. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2032. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach at least value worth of $11,417. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $13 to $795 with the typical worth of $11 to $743. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation 2033. The cost of one Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach at least degree of $16,264 in 2033. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $20,017 with the typical cost of $16,734 all through 2033. Bitcoin Cash Value Estimate 240. Analyzing verifiable execution gives setting. Yet it is vital to perceive that previous exhibition isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $96 to $553. The BCH cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $153 $614 with the typical worth of $113 $454. BCH Value Gauge for 2050. Long-haul expectations ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the innate vulnerabilities in the digital currency market. Enhancement and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key systems for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our BCH cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with the greatest cost of $265,562, while the base value worth of a Bitcoin Cash can be around $194,444 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $215 to $696 approximately. Bitcoin Cash Value Conjecture Facts. What amount will Bitcoin Cash be worth in 2030? As far as value, Bitcoin Cash has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels. It is gauged that BCH will increment in esteem, as indicated by unambiguous